Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Tech Info, and I am Wasif Mumtaz. In this video I will tell you that how to add animated borders in videos in Premiere Pro. So for that, first of all we will create a sequence. So to create sequence we will use shortcut Control N, and I will go to this RE 1080p and 25 frame per second. I will click enter. Now this is our sequence 1920 by 1080. I will add the video. I will add the video here. Now I am in editing. Now I will click here to create adjustment layer. Just click on new item, adjustment layer, and select width 1920 and height 1080 and click OK. Now I will put my adjustment layer here above the video. Just drag to the video timing, and now I will go to effect tabs, search for grid. I will copy the grid in adjustment layer. Now go to grid effect control. Now in here grid menu, select anchor point to 0 and here 0 also. Now your corners 1920 by 1080. Now you can see that your border, you can also increase border size like that or any size you want. Here in my case I am going with like 25. You can also change border color like this. I am using red, or you want yellow border like this. You can also add yellow border, white, or any border. Now go to blending mode and select normal. You see that border. Now I will play the video like this. You see that border. I can also change color, like I will click here and go for white. You see that border. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.